Hello, in this video I want to show you how to install Microsoft Edge browser on your TCL TAB Max 10. So in order to do this, we'll need to open Google Play Store. From here, begin the search for an app and enter Microsoft Edge. Now hit the search button, select this app and install it. After installation process is complete, we'll be able to open this app. From here we can start customizing it, so we can sign in to enable synchronization. I'm gonna do it later. Here you can accept or not for a data sharing preferences. I'm gonna disagree with it and simply move on. The last option is to set Microsoft Edge as a default browser, or also we can skip it. I'm gonna use it as a default, so let's pick it like this. And from here we can start using this browser. So let's open any website, and as you can see, it works just fine. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.